Okay, so here we have smeared name, Gabriel Stark on the side. Finished product of Lab 3. So all 5 LEDs set up. Left to right, servo going up. Left motor, collision detection. Right motor, servo going down. And then we do have them set up in their finite state machines. So for example, servo goes up, and it's hard to see. Oop, wrong one. If servo up and down are detected, it doesn't do either one. So if we let go of this one, now it does go up. If we let go of this one, it's off. If we go on both, then it doesn't move up or down, of course. With the motors, not like that one, and we have it set up so left motor goes, right motor can still go. They're kind of independent of each other in that sense. They can obviously go at both to go straight, or just one or the other. They are independent of the servo. So here we can go left or straight. I guess, yeah, and this would push me to the right. Independent of the servo here. And even independent of if the servo can't move up or down, we can still go left or right or straight. There we go. Hard to manage all buttons. And then this is our collision detection. And so if we're going left and collision is detected, we stop, or right. I guess I'm saying left or right, I'm talking about the motors. Obviously they push you in the opposite direction. The right motor goes, we're gonna go left. But yeah, they're set up like that. And then the servo is obviously set up separate from the collision. So even if collision is detected, our servo will still go up or down, depending however we need it to go. So yeah, you can see I'm just kind of playing with these buttons here, kind of show you all the functions that do work. Things are independent. And then no matter what, if collision is detected, the motors turn off. So yeah, here we have our finished Lab 3. I don't know if you need us to explain this, but like we talked about, it has the 5 volts coming out of the pin here, going into my positive rail, and then each of these buttons are pulling power off that positive rail. And then if these buttons are pressed, obviously it completes the circuit, sends it back through to the ground, but also sends it over into the board of the Arduino, which then does the corresponding output to whichever LED it's supposed to turn on. Power comes over from the pin through the LED and the resistor out to the negative, which this negative rail all the way down here comes back over to the negative on this side, which all of these negative rails are going to ground here on the board. So there you have it.